Who's your duly elected representative?
The judges are judging.
What? I guess I'm the right.
Qualia School.
Perpetual Commotion. That's the name of the robotics. Not Commotion. Never like robotics.
Gets 2 points if they have a good
Quite the machine.
All right, this is our Qualia Rube Goldberg machine. We are in Uncle Jimmy's weird, wacky, and wild workshop. Uncle Jimmy has left to get some supplies, and Violet over here has been holding up that thing for I have no idea how long.
Okay.
Oh dear.
And I think she's getting pretty tired, and her friends are also here. So, and she promised to, like, hang out with them.
Oh dear.
Oh, you dropped something.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Crap.
Okay.
It's okay.
We didn't.
Oh, nice.
Go.
That's it.
Oh, awesome. Awesome. Thank you.
Okay.
So, where does it start?
It starts, the human activation starts with Violet over here. She's behind. Dropping this. And it's kind of
Okay, she's dropping it from behind.
Yeah, there are 2 strings.
Okay.
I'll go over this half first.
Okay. Go ahead.
It goes like this.
Okay. All right, let's do this again.
All right,
Sorry.
so the first step is the human. The human over there is holding that string up. They drop it, which lands on these 2 things. So there's a bracket in place, which we're hanging tools on, but that one puts it at a slant. So basically it falls onto that rat trap, which is basically being used as a lever. The lever turns the power on, which that pump over there, it pumps in the red water, sprays into here, and then as it gets heavier and heavier, it pulls down. This goes up because this is down. So once it goes up, it pulls this box up. The box, when it goes up, it has to straighten out. So the rat falls out, this rat right here, and it's a wind-up rat, so when it goes, it starts scurrying away on the floor. And attached to this rat is a string, and on the other end of that string, as you can see here, right here, and then there's a nail in it. The nail is very loosely in this, so when it scurries away, it pulls the nail out, sends this flying. It hits this thing.
The lever.
This lever, yeah, which activates the mouse trap, and that mouse trap pulls this switch. So that's 1/2 is an AND gate, basically.
Right.
1/2 of the equation, so 1/2 is solved. We turn on the drill. And then here on the other side, there's a rat right here.
Right.
So when it falls, since this is at a slant, the rat will, because of gravity, will fall into here. And this is a set mouse trap, so it will activate this, then this one, then this one, then this one, chain reaction. And as you can see here, there's a rope attached to this one. And that rope, when it falls, will be pulled, letting this wheel spin down. It will hit that mouse trap all the way over here.
Mm-hmm.
And when that mousetrap is hit, then it lets go of this, meaning this hammer right here. It moves down, swings really fast, hits this machete. Basically, with this machete, it's an electro machete. It's the power of lightning. There's a
Current.
one of those currents. These clips in, and that clip is connected to
The drill battery.
right here. This drill battery.
Oh no!
Move.
Sorry, sorry. Oh no, everything. And then it activates it, and then sends the pulley up, and the dog gets fed. Take 3.
Everybody who is here wanting to be here. I think we're all ready.
Wait. Make sure you get the go from the judges.
Judges ready?
On your mark.
Whoa, hold on. What?
No, that's not the name. I see the name right there.
What?
I can't tell.
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
It says
All right. I think everything is in place.
Okay, you ready?
I think so.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
Woo! Fido's been fed! So this is Jim's workshop. And look at that. I like the wind-up mouse. That's funny. Qualia Schools, Rube Goldberg entry.
pull the left side.
Pull the left side too.
Left side.
Yeah,
Pull both sides.
Pull the left side more.
Okay.
Oh, never mind. Or it's not.
He's good. That's good, guys.
Yeah, just. All right.
Okay.
When you're ready.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Get set. Go.
Woo!